So let's say we want to hide all rows with numbers smaller than 50 in this table. So let's select all the rows, create a filter, and we're going to try to filter this column. So we're going to click on this icon, filter by condition, drop down, and less than or equal to, depending on what we want. We're just going to go with less than. So we're going to try to hide all rows with numbers in the I column smaller than 100. Let's hit OK. And as you can see, all the rows with numbers bigger than 100 got hidden. Uh, yeah, so that's how you add this condition. If you want to undo, if you want to hide the rule, you can remove filter, undo the rule, I guess. So yeah, or you can just click again and just instead of less than, just go with none and hit OK, and